Earlier this month, Kansas lawmakers voted to ban transgender athletes from women's and girls' sports. As a result, the Kansas State High School Activities Association, known as KSHSAA, is changing its policy for transgender athletes. It starts July 1st. KSN's Hannah Adamson explains the updates. It's new at 10.
Julia, KSHSAA's executive director says these changes have been a long time coming, with several being discussed over the past few years. He says the board feels comfortable with the new policy as written. However, several LGBTQ community advocates say the new rules are too broad and cause unnecessary harm to kids.
This week, KSHSAA replacing a long-standing policy in order to comply with House Bill 2238, which passed into law April 6th.
We have a very good leadership team here at the office, as well as elected leaders from our executive board that we'll rely on should we have to make additional interpretations.
According to KSHSAA's former policy updated in April 2015, transgender athletes who wish to participate in sports consistent with their gender identity were considered by schools and the KSHSAA executive board on a case-by-case basis. Now, under House Bill 2238, Section 3, quote, athletic teams or sports designated for females, women, or girls shall not be open to students of the male sex. The Kansas State High School Activities Association shall adopt rules and regulations for its member schools to implement the provisions of this section.
When it was case by case, I was okay with that for the fact that every trans person is different in their transition. This is going to mostly affect kids though, and kids for the most part aren't doing any kind of a medical transition.
In addition to banning transgender girls from girls' sports, KSHSAA's executive board determined high schools must see a transgender athlete's original birth certificate to determine which teams they can join, a policy that goes into effect July 1st.
It's going to get challenged probably very quickly and immediately as soon as we have a trans child who says this isn't fair. We've got organizations that are ready to take it to court.
KSHSAA's executive director says while he doesn't anticipate any legal challenges,
We always prepare for that, and we're going to follow any rule with the fidelity that is necessary for it to actually be a guideline, a law that we follow.
This as the Department of Education recently proposed a change to Title IX, prohibiting any blanket ban on trans girls and women in female sports. Now, KSHSAA's executive director says he feels the new policy does not affect Title IX compliance at this time. He also says he anticipates amendments to Title IX in the next several years. Here for you, Hannah Adamson, KSN News 3.
Hannah, thank you. And of course, you at home can stay up to date on the latest from Topeka and our Capitol Bureau by going to ksn.com.